Thank you very much for this opportunity. I will give you some data about the implantation of this new device in patients. This study has been done with the co-investigator Stefan Berreje from Belgium. So the purpose of the study is to evaluate the safety and the performance of the DynamX Bioadaptor in coronary arteries in humans. Next. This study is a pilot study, I would call it, in selected patients, 50 patients, and followed for 2 years, 24 months. No treated vessel required reopening, revascularization, no blood clots, thrombosis, and no heart attack or myocardial infarction occurred during the follow-up period. So, I mean, this is not a surprise, but it's still nice to see a series of 0 regarding adverse event. Again, I like to stress that this is a selected population, single lesion, single stent, stable patient. Next slide. Here you see the concept. The concept is to have a standard stent, drug-eluting stent, metallic, with the properties of a new generation metallic stent, expand as a regular metallic stent. So it's basically it's like a new generation DS with all the attribute, deliverability, etc. Nevertheless, has the potential to unlock and allow the vessel to have positive remodeling. And now we see some data to support my statement. Next. So we see that in our study, at the follow-up, there was a 14% increase in lumen area and a 9% increase in bioadaptor area. So this happened because the link are now open to follow the positive remodeling of the vessel. You see the mean vessel area post-procedure was 14.11 at 12 months follow-up is 14.543%. The stent or the bioadaptor area goes from 7.39 to 7.745%, and the lumen stays the same. Basically, the late loss due to hyperplasia is compensated by positive remodeling. This is a very interesting feature that only a stent that can uncage can guarantee. Next. So why DynamX is different than other stent? I think you all understand now. Does not cage the artery, allows the artery to follow positive remodeling with time. Not always positive remodeling occurs, but we know that in some lesions there is positive remodeling, there is neoatherosclerosis, and the best way to fight neoatherosclerosis for the body is to positive remodel the vessel. So this stent has all the feature of a meta stent DS, in addition can give a positive remodeling. Thank you for your attention.